Hi, Amy Herzog here, stepping you through the handy calculators I have built into CustomFit for subscribers. Today I want to step you through the use of the gauge calculator. This is new as of February 2017 when I'm recording this video, and this is a handy little tool that will help you, master simple gauge math. So gauge how big your stitches are, both in terms of how wide they are, that's your stitch gauge, and how tall they are, that's your row gauge, and a count of how many stitches or rows you have, and how big you want your knitted piece to be. Those are all related. So this calculator is going to take any two of those and return the third. So let's say you're making a sweater and you know that you need the back hip to measure 20 inches, and you know that you're getting 5.5 stitches to the inch. This will tell you how many stitches you need. Or vice versa. You know that the stitch count for the size you're making is 110, and you're getting 4 stitches to the inch, and you want to know how big that's going to be. It will do that too. So basically, any which way you want to figure out this gauge relationship, this calculator will help you do it. So let me give you a few examples. So this can be helpful in a number of different cases when you're modifying a sweater pattern, when you're making up your own simple pattern, seeing whether you need to modify. It's just a handy little widget. So let's do a couple of examples. Let's say I want to know how big my scarf is going to be. I know that I'm going to be working a multiple of 12 plus 4, say. So let's see how big a scarf with 52 stitches in it is going to be. I know I'm getting 6.5 stitches per inch. I can click compute and get the information that my scarf is going to be 8 inches wide. Alternately, if I want to know what gauge I need to get in order to make the stitch count and the size that I want work, I can do that too. So let's say that I know I want my piece to be 20 inches long. I know that I need to have 217 stitches. I'm making this up. You can click compute and get the information that you're going to need a gauge of 10 3/4 stitches per inch. Woof. Or finally, if you want to know how many stitches you need to cast on for something, you can do that too. So you can put in, let's say, I want my hips to measure 22 inches in the back. So that would be a 44-inch hip garment if you're splitting it up evenly. I know I'm getting 4.75 stitches to the inch, and this will tell me that I need to cast on 105 stitches. So this is a pretty simple tool in terms of the math that it does, but it can help you think about gauge and size and count from any direction. And so I hope you'll find it useful. Thanks for watching.